gising na, Hawi. Oh, liwanag. Asan na? Ayun. Ala, wala naman makita. Mga magamata. Good morning. What's this? Ay, hindi pala kami umaandar. Ito nga, wala nagpindot.
Wala.
Hindi ata natin ka-iba dyan. Wow! Meron ding pasta. I don't know if kukuha ako.
Wow, breakfast si Papa. Vietnamese breakfast. Mga diet bread. Naubusan na kanin. Oh, dami namang dala ni Mama.
Hawi! Final look. Why my lips appears darker on the camera? OOTD. Gigi! Pretty! Ayan na ang mga tagapagmana ng hotel.
Sana ko'y wala sa katinuan. Merong mata, medyo sarado ang isipan. Pakumanhin, ako'y maraming maaaring mga rason, mga panlangin. Oh, niyakap mo ako, himbing sa piling mo, pinawi mo pagkaka-isa ko. Nahanap ko na nga.
Para tayong nasa world ng Zelda.
Sama-sama together na pala.
May pagoda sa likod ko. Wow! Ay! Si Yuna! Cute! Ang ganda ng mga puno dito, guys. Wow! Wow! Guys, ang ganda dito. Ah, grabe ang peaceful. Wow! Look! Gagi parang... Saan ka, Hawi? City. Guys, dito na tayo sa malaking Buddha. Wow! Oh my God, ang ganda dito. Ganda. Are we going? Ay! Monkey! Ay! Monkey! 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 Wow! Wow! Ala! Monkey! Oh no! Oh no! Monkey! Ang cute ng monkey! Does it look like... Ala! He's drinking! Oh no! Looks like you? No? Para silang pusa. Huh? Mama! Did you get scared? Ala, she almost cried! Ala, umiyak! Hindi, nagulat kasi siya talaga. Nagulat kasi talaga siya. Kinuha yung ice cream.
It's fine.
It's okay, Chi. They're just fooling around.
Hello! Hello, parang si Luffy.
Sino si Luffy? Ay, si Luffy. Meron na dito yung mga pagod. Ayan na, mga pagoda.
Pagod ba? Init lang.
Ay, init lang pala. Enjoy ka, Harry.
Maging komportable, bayaan nyo sila nakaupo. Oo, maingit sila sa inyo. Sa likod, sa katawan. Malambot. Pag nakatagilan po, sir, kanan is namamanhid. That's because of poor blood circulation po. Naiipit yung mga ugat-ugat natin.
Chichi! Cute! Galing ah. Ayun pa, may isa pang nabubudol dun, oh. Ayun, nabubudol, oh. Napapaligiran na siya. Ayan na yung mga nabubudol. Ayan na yung mga nabubudol. At number 1 top 1 nabubudol. No. Auntie. Yeah. Which one you like? Kaiga na siya. Try natin yung kama.
Para sa mga ano to, nito 7 sila.
Ay, gagi. Ang sarap nga, Harry.
7 sila mga tapos.
Ang sarap nga niya. Oh, ang bouncy, oh.
Ay, massage. Massage.
Ang bouncy, oh. Oh. But guys, yan sila. Higa, Papa, higa. Pwede ka daw humiga dyan. Try mo. Wow!
Ang kulay ko.
Kain lahat. Sarap. Bel.
How was the food today? Good. Okay. Yeah.
Very healthy.
Very yummy. Okay, very happy to hear that.
What about you? Did you eat?
Yeah, it's good already. Okay, enjoy. Dito pa yung food.
Did you want me to get the...
Aba! Are you happy with your drink? How happy? You say it.
Very, 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 very happy.
Okay.
Cảm ơn anh chăm chị.
Sarap. Pero mahilig na na. Yung mga anang belo. Mga ganyan. Cute. Kaya nga eh.
The bed.
Hello, my name is Nori.
The bed. That's my dog.
Dream ko.
Speaking of the fire.
Walang dream.
Wala na eh. Okay na ako sa mga anak ko.
Oo naman.
Hi, I'm Rod. I'm from Antipolo. My dream is to be a contractor and to get projects from DPWH. Mega project flood control.
My name is Belle and I am 25 years old in September 22.
money, and you got the good health, good life, and nothing to carry about anything. So thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Little sister, you want to share something? How do you feel right now? Only one word. You can tell another two or something.
What's your dream?
You tell them.
What do you want to do in the future? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old? 8 years old. Yeah.
Del from Antipolo Exile, 29 years old. Work as a IT in Makati. And yeah, my dream is also doing a lotto.
Everyone, I'm Llewellyn. I'm from Antipolo too, and my dream is to migrate to another country.
I'm losing every sense of time. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, but when you're gone, you are a traveler. You know that I love you.
It's so fun here, Kuya. What? No, no. I have motion sickness. I might vomit here. Is it fun? Pa, okay ka lang? Nananahimik yan. Tawi pag ganun. Yan. Nahihilo ako kakatingin sa kanya. I get dizzy.
Không chụp hình kìa, rồi có hậu gì cho anh.
nag-photo si Gigi eh.
Wow! Wow! Go, baby! Yan, binili namin yung picture. Mura lang kasi siya, 200. Ang ganda. Love it. No, pati siya nakangiti. ang simple ng activity niya, pero ano, yung ginagawa nila yung best nila para gawing kakaiba yung experience. Diba? Simpleng rowing ng boat lang. Nilagyan nila ng karaoke, tapos may ikot-ikot. Tapos talagang nag-hype pa sila, mabuhay, mabuhay. Sabi niya, di mo alam kung nagtitrip o ano.
Tapos meron kanina, ibang ibang tao, ibang driver. Tapos nakatingin siya kay Kiki. Kasi Kiki ka lang. Ang tagal lang kinakanta si Kiki.
Kaya pala, yun pa yung yung singkit na driver. Makulit nga yun. Ay, okay. Picture.
Ano ka, Chichi? Ayan.
Wow, leather goods. May nabili ako. Yay! Wow! Sukat mo nga. Can we try? Try it. Oh, ganda.
Pang samba po.
Oh, ang ganda. Successful. Hawi, ikaw, ano nabili mo?
Mahal ng belt.
Asa nabili mo? Pakita mo. Ay, nandyan na pala sa bag. Sige, wag na. Mga t-shirts. Wow, cute. I like it?
Yeah.
Sige nga, tugtog mo yung Hogwarts. The Hogwarts one. This one, yeah. Ay, wow, wait lang. Coaster ba to? Ganda. Ah, pretty. Ano din na yung mga perfumes din. Guys, nililigaw kami. Hindi na namin makita yung bridge. Yung meeting place. And 5 p.m. na 5:30 yung meeting time. Oh my God. Pagod yarn? Pagod. How? Let's see how. Yay. What is your wish?
To have my daddy.
What? What?
Have my daddy
Hmm?
to be happy and me.
Ang dami-dami mo pwedeng wish yan. Grabe naman. Love you, Chi. Chichi, love you. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay.
For your family, for your...
We're gonna wish. What's your wish? What's your wish? Oh, magwi-wish ka bago mo daw ilapag sa ano, water.
The boat comes around 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm like,
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh! Sa gitna na lang. Ay, usan ka na lang para sila makitabi. Dapat pala ko na lang dahil. Ay, smile ka. Asa na yung video? Wait lang. Abang okay. Smile! Nasama lang po itong bomber yung kasama ko.
Thank you po.
Ayan. Ayan, makakatayo na kayo. Ay, ay. Sige, lagay nyo na. Tay, dali.
Ay, tingin din po kayo doon. Wow!
Maganda kami.
Ganda, sobrang grabe, super surreal.
Okay na.
Super surreal naman ang lugar na to, Ben.
Mami.
Chichi. Hi, Papa! Enjoy?
enjoy. Kahit tired.
Come here! Come here! Ala! Ganda. Bago na totally yung vibe dito because of the lights. Aya.
Restaurant.
Antok na, baby? Antok na? Oh, hindi na nagsasolito. Hindi na nagsasolito. Wala. Joke lang. Joke lang? Ito naman. Joke lang po. 1 minute. Kami ng Dragon Bridge Show. Dragon Bridge Show. Dragon Bridge Show. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count. Wow! 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 Gagi, ang init! Paano pa yung mga malapit dun? Yan lang ba yun? Wow!
Isak ba ito?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Blend. Ay, oo. Ito, coconut.
What is your third ice cream today, ah?
Ala!
Don't fall in, ah.
Cheese! Kain! Ba't di ka kumakain? Malalaglag. Yummy yan? Yummy? Ala! Di na nagsasalita. Antok na. Antok na. Antok na. Ah, you're thinking about something.
It tastes like ice.
What? Ice? Ice? Wika.
Ano yung mga western na mga tayo? Mga gangster.
Oo nga, no? May umumito dun. Yung kasabay natin sa... Ano ba na? Sa bus ba yun? Firework. Mafia yun. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Oh. My God. Gusto kong bumalik.
I think about that summer day when I went on my first date. We danced in an empty parking lot to a song I since forgot. And the first time I held his hand, I thought this boy could be a man. We must have been watching a movie. I think it was Toy Story 3. As long as you remember me and all the ways I used to be, a part of me will always be 18. And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll steal away our youth, but that's how I'll remember me and you. That's how I'll remember me and you. I didn't think much of you till that autumn afternoon. I never would have guessed it would be you. And it was in January when you finally kissed me in a dorm room on York Street, and the rest is history. As long as I